Good morning, guys. Lily with Lily Ray's Collection. Yesterday I drew this sketch, and it is of a young lady with some snow boots, her winter coat, and her beautiful scarf with, of course, a beanie. Because as you know, if you follow me on my channel, I crochet beanies as well. And hello, Denise. Hope everything is good. And you remember the two pom-poms that I added to my beanie, the pink one. Well, this one just has one pom-pom, and I added some roses to it. And I started with the I wanted to do something different other than pencils and watercolor. So I started out with my Sharpies. These are, let's see. These are all permanent, ultra fine point. So I have them in several colors. I also purchased a new easel. It's a desk easel because I have a lot of neck problems. And so it's difficult for me to, lean over something and it not affects my neck. I do have a standing easel. I use that every now and then, but I needed one for my desk so that I can sit down comfortably and, sketch something out or paint something. Because as you artists know, it takes more than a minute to complete your projects. So with that said, this is my new case right there. Okay, I have all of my Prismacolor pencils, all of my Caran d'Ache pencils, my Derwent pencils. They're all in here. And so I'm going to go ahead and show you this. Now, I'm going to start off painting with my pencils, or coloring with my pencils. And then I'm going to speed it up because this is, of course, going to take me a minute. So I wanted to show you, I have here my Posca pen. This is the white. This is a Derwent Colored Soft. And then these are my Caran d'Ache pencils here. And I have over 72. These are the ones that are Stabilo Caran d'Ache. Similar to a Stabilo. Let me see. This is an all-in-one pencil. Yeah, Stabilo. And this is the Caran d'Ache line. I have that in black. I have it in the blue. This one says Technalo Caran d'Ache. I love her line. And then this is just these are Prismacolored pencils. This is Derwent. Wait, these are Color Soft pencils. And then here's another white. This is a Scribble pencil, all surface pencil. And then here are my, I have to show it like this because I can't move my easel back. This is another all-in-one Stabilo. This is a Caran d'Ache, this white tip one. And the rest are Prismacolor pencils, Prismacolored pencils. Here's another brown Caran d'Ache, and these are all water soluble. And all Prisma pencils. Here are the Derwents. These are fantastic. These are, it says dark wash, dark, and light wash. And these are like butter. They are so soft. And then I have my Derwent from 4 to 6B, H, F, and B. And that is it for these colored pencils. I have a whole slew of Caran d'Ache pencils. I bought the 72 set, but I'm not using it for this project. I'm going to be using these. So with that said, I'm going to get started, and the first thing I want to tackle is I'm going to give her, this is a new Prismacolored pencil, and this one is bronze, 1028. I think I want to make her, the inside of her scarf, bronze. So with that said, I'm going to get started, and I will put you on medium speed so that I don't take a year and a day and bore you with this project. All right, guys. All right, guys. Well, this is the finished product for my little girl who is ready for 2019 Christmas right around the corner. Now I have to finish her background. I haven't decided what I'm going to do for the background, but I'm going to use some stencils and probably, what can I use? I don't know. I want to have a very festive background, but I don't want to make it too busy because she's pretty busy. I love to use color, and I think she looks fantastic. Alright, well, let me decide what colors I will be using for the background. I'm going to get a couple of things, and then I will meet you back. Alright, we're going to continue working on the background. What I did was, I got this little bin at the dollar store, this little container, and it's to make ice or anything you want. I'm using it for painting. I have one color in there, and that's the background color with some water on the side. And then once that dries, I'm going to use my, what do you call these? Snowflake stamps. Clear stamps. So we'll use that after the paint dries. Now, this is marker paper. While it is heavy, I don't know how much water it could take, so I put another piece of cardstock back there. I put this one back there, which is pretty heavy. This is about 110. So that's just to protect the other sheets. Let's see what happens. Okay. So again, I'm going to put this on fast speed because it's going to take a little while to do it, and I want to take my time with it. So enjoy. Alright, guys, well, this is my final picture. I think it came up pretty awesome. All I need to do is sign it, and then I can go ahead and share it with Facebook. Now, let me sign it with, I'll sign it with a silver pen. Ooh, okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I like the fact that you can, oh, actually, it's right here. It says Lily Rays 2019. Even I missed that. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on her boot. It's silver, so you really won't see too much of it. Alright, well, this is all for now. Thank you once again for joining me. Please leave a comment below, as I had a giveaway yesterday, and I just randomly selected a video that had comments, and then I did the YouTube random picker. So if you leave a comment, you qualify for being selected through that random picker. If you don't and you do subscribe, you do not get to enter. You do not get entered because there is no comment from you. So, you know, you could just say hello, you could just say fantastic, you could say whatever you want. Alright, the idea is for you to leave a comment and enjoy one of my giveaways, one of my personal giveaways, because everything I'm giving away is handmade by me. Alright? thank you for joining me once again. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Take care.